everybody, welcome back to another Femme Luxe review. God, I can't actually remember the last time I've done one. So yes, it's obviously been a while since I've done YouTube reviews, especially Femme Luxe reviews, obviously because I've had a lot of stuff on my Instagram going on. But yes, I'm back. I actually have some pieces. I'm really excited to try. I've had them for a little while, so I do apologise. They may or may not be available, but yeah, maybe I'll look at the website. I want to start off with this glam piece. Yes, it is quite revealing, it is quite daring, I know. Everything that I normally don't do, but it looked really good on the website and it didn't seem this bad when I was actually seeing it on the model, but never mind. So yes, I'm pairing this dress first. I'll drop all the description of the items and sizes and everything in the description below on YouTube, and then obviously I have a following blog, so you'll find everything there. So I've just literally paired up with my nude Parisian tights, which is my own brand, and also just some mules that because I haven't done mules for so long, so I thought, oh, I may as well kind of go. So yeah, you'll see them throughout this video. So let's just, I will say I did try and cover everything as much as possible, but I'll go into detail in like just about that in just a second. So this is obviously the dress. Up close. So it has a really deep plunge. It has this little thing. I don't know what it does. I tried playing around with it. It just doesn't do much. Obviously, yes, I've tried to cover everything, but it's very, very hard. And then the back is literally just all plain. And obviously with that whole detailing at the back as well, just to give it a little something, because, you know. So in terms of quality, I'm not a fan. This is way too see-through for my liking. Way too see-through. I would have to wear something underneath, but it would be so hard because of the plunge that's going on here. So unless I manage to somehow sort of stitch this so it is a little bit not so revealing, I think I could work with it. Yeah, so it's nice, but yeah, it lacks a fair bit for me. Arm length is pretty decent. It kind of covers the arms well up to the sort of semi-wrist, so that's cool. As I mentioned, obviously back is all plain. You get this on, like, it's a pull-on. There are no hidden zips. I know someone's going to make a joke about that. There are no hidden zips. So it literally is just sort of pull-on, pull-off kind of dress. But yeah, it's nice in terms of it's comfortable. It's a really snug fit. It hugs well, as you can see. This is something, yeah, you're probably going to wear nude underwear with, lingerie and everything, or not, if you fancy, it's entirely up to you. But yeah, it's an okay dress. I think it looks great, but practicality wise, no, I don't think I would have the courage to step out in a dress like this and go on a night out. Nobody would be talking to me here. I can just, imagine this. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to move on to the next piece. The next piece is a really cute two-piece. So yeah, I'm sure that will look so much better on, fingers crossed. And this is the second piece that I'm not going to lie, I kind of struggled to get into. So I know that this is a size 6 piece. The top was completely fine. The skirt, I've never struggled so much to get into a skirt in my life. So here is really fitted, but around the waist I have like plenty of room, so I have no idea what the hell is going on right now. So yeah, and this is another one, yeah, nude lingerie underneath or nude underwear would really work. So because of that, I'm not going to come up too close to the camera, just because it's a nightmare. Oh, sorry, I'm like hitting my little snowman. Snowman at Santa, oh my god. I'm losing the plot today. So this piece, okay, once again, it's a two-piece. So you can obviously mix and match. Not that I would ever wear the skirt again, if I'm honest, to the point I probably might stretch it and rip it. The top is super cute though. I love it. It's like a corset type top, which obviously you button hook and eye at the front. Puffer sleeves, which are adorable, and then obviously the back has just got a tie just at the top, just to keep it sort of all together. The skirt, obviously, yeah, it's a zip at the back, and just, I don't like it. I don't like it. And then, yeah, and a cute little sort of ruffle just to kind of bring in the little puffy sleeves. Quality, no. straight up no. It's see-through, doesn't fit that great. Yes, it looks nice. I like the colour. It's normally not a colour I tend to go for. So yeah, I was kind of happy to try that out. But yeah, the fit on this, no, hell no. This is not cool. This is just totally not cool. But yeah, otherwise it's not bad. The top fits quite nicely. It's actually not too snug and not too loose or anything. It's that really good in between. So I like that. I do like that. But yeah, it's see, even trying to walk is so hard. I've got to take these little daisy steps, and it's like, what is going on? But yeah, otherwise it's okay. But yeah, I wouldn't really rate this highly. And then oh yeah, I paired up again with the mules because it works. It just works. So yeah, so the final piece is going to be a top. So I'm gonna switch it up a little bit and then just showcase the top. And this is my final pairing. So I was going to go for trousers and stuff, and I thought, oh, I really can't be bothered. And I saw this skirt. I was like, I've not worn this skirt in so long. So I was like, yep, we're going to have to bring this out. So the final pairing is going to be just the top. That's what I'm reviewing. It's not the skirt or anything. Obviously, you want to get paired with mules because I'm really liking these mules with these tights. So yeah, so let me talk about the top. Really, really nice. One, I love the colour. The colour is like gorgeous, especially for this time of year. Oh my god, yes. But that's not all about it, right? I'll get into it. So one thing I do like is obviously the balloon sleeve, which is then sort of cuffed, button cuffed. There is really good length on the arms, which I really, really like. They're not sitting too low, too high. And plus, if you wanted to, you could always sort of like bunch it up a little bit here. Because I end up rolling up my sleeves quite a lot, actually. I tend to do that quite a lot now. So yeah, I do love the arm length. One thing I'm not too much of a fan of is the neckline, just because it's so big. Like, look how roomy that is. So it's got 3 button closure at the back. I did struggle, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, so once I managed to finally get it closed, I thought it might tighten it up a little bit because it would just makes all the difference if it was a lot tighter, like so. But yeah, I'm working with this, whatever. But the best part is it's like totally backless. So it's obviously buttoned at the top just here. Oh, I'm gonna move it more forward. But button at the top just here. It's tied down at the back just here. I've probably done like a really bad bow. I didn't check it, I just ran straight down because I was like, oh my god. But yeah, so I like that. It's just obviously one of those, you're gonna have to figure out what to wear underneath. And if you don't mind showing a bra strap or something, then that's cool. But yeah, it's a bit fiddly, this one. But yeah, I do like it overall. I think it is a very, very nice top. Just thought I'd do it well. Yeah, it's a very, very nice top. I really, really like it. Probably the best out of the bunch I've had. But yeah, it fits really, really well, and obviously this part here is all adjustable with this back bow tie as well, so you can adjust it however you please. Obviously I wanted to keep mine tight because I wanted it to sit on my skirt like so. Then actually you can always put a really nice belt on top so it looks like a 2-in-1 piece thing. So yeah, that works too. But yeah, it's otherwise a really, really nice top. I'm really, really happy with it. It's so much better than what I've just reviewed. But yeah, I like it. Ooh, ooh. But yeah, right, so I'm just gonna finish there because I'm gonna keep waffling on and I don't want to do that. I'm trying to control myself with waffling on. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I will put down the blog link below as well so you can obviously read my review as well as watch it here. But I hope you enjoyed it as much as I have. It's actually been really fun trying to get back into doing videos again after taking such a long break away. So yeah, I'm kind of half nervous, but pretty excited about this. But anyway, see, waffling on. So take care for now, guys, and I will see you on the next review. See ya.